I definitely used the Caribbean.
Delay test.
But maybe like, was it Caribbean? Or no, I'm thinking Mediterranean. Maybe I'll try these two. Medium blue and Mediterranean.
Endearing. WHCIHC is nobody. Him going bald. Him shedding. Like an animal.
You're shedding? Is this new paint water? This water looks kind of sus. Why is there a straw in my sink?
Half giveaway, can't wait. Yes, do you want my hair in your mail?
Why are you doing
Okay.
the bear people?
I'm gonna do the bear too, but I have more to finish on this one, so I kind of want to get this one done. You know what I mean? I kind of want to get this one done. Let's get this box on the floor. Dude, somebody get in VC with me. Let's put on, let's put on some more funk. Did somebody break the TTS again? Hello? Was that cake? Who was that? But it is cake. Who broke the TTS? I think it was
I
kebabs.
can't hear you.
Hello?
WASNT
I hear you.
me. Kinda weird breaking TTS.
True, honestly, Deli. Dude, how is this shit bubbling still?
I
I barely have the heat on.
sit in silence, and now here we are.
I have been noticed by the blood god, so you may not have my blood.
The blood? Wait, who's the blood god?
Here you so I have to leave. Bye.
Wait, what'd you say? Hello? Did you leave? Who is the blood god?
Is nothing.
I need like a tiny brush. Egypt? No, that's cake. That's cake sounds absolutely nothing like Egypt.
He is a god.
Yes. It was Egypt.
Okay, dude. Okay, let me call Egypt, dude. I'm actually down to talk to her real quick. I'm actually down for this.
Holy.
I'm calling her. Hello? Cake?
Hi. Hi.
Hello?
This is Egypt, and I wish I could hear you, but I can't. I don't know what's wrong with my
Hello?
this
Look
guy.
up the blood god.
Okay, I'm leaving again. Bye.
No, don't leave.
Damn. Long time no see.
Just pretend.
Camel. It's good
Oh
to
my
see
god,
you again.
Genesis.
Wakey wakey.
Yo, Genesis. It has been a while, dude. Yo, you just missed the food.
Valenti.
Cake fix yo
She
goddamn
didn't-
audio.
She didn't pick up.
No.
She didn't pick up.
Do it.
You should really look up the blood god.
Young Skywalker.
What's him?
Call her
Her again.
Okay. I'll call one more time. I think she might be on hiatus.